Once upon a time there was a wolf. A big bone had become stuck in the throat of a wolf who had been overeating in his eating. He couldn't get it up or down, and he was obviously unable to eat anything. Naturally, that was a terrible situation for a savage wolf. He then hurried to the crane. Because of her long neck and bill, he was certain that she would effortlessly be able to reach the bone and extract it. The wolf said, "If you pull that bone out for me, I will reward you very handsomely." As you can imagine, putting her head in the throat of a wolf made the crane feel very uneasy, and Crane was feeling afraid. But Crane was naturally greedy. So she did as the wolf told her to do. Without giving the crane a reward which he promised, the wolf started to leave the place when he realized the bone was gone. "How about my reward, though?" anxiously asked the crane. "What?" Turned around, the wolf snarled. "Have you not gotten it? Isn't it sufficient that I allowed you to remove your head from my mouth without severing it? This is your reward, that I did not eat your head,